morning, guys! Did you enjoy your weekend? Yes. Look what I just did to myself. And guess what? I don't like it. I don't like it, but that's okay. It's part of quarantine. Cuando estamos mucho tiempo en casa, when we're a lot of time at our home, sometimes we make things like this that then we're just like, ugh, what did I just did? Cuando estamos mucho tiempo en casa, a veces hacemos cosas porque estamos aburridos y después decimos, ay, ¿por qué hice eso? ¿Por qué pinté así la pared? ¿Por qué me hice este corte de pelo? But okay, that's okay. So, let's start a new lesson, but first, I want you to sing a song with me. Una canción that you already know. So, stand up, everyone. Ready? If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. Happy, remember, everybody with happy face. If you're happy, happy, happy,
clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're happy,
clap
happy,
your
happy,
hands.
clap your hands.
¿Qué seguía? What's next?
If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet.
Angry.
If
I'm
you're
angry.
Angry, angry, stomp your feet. If you're angry, 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 stomp your
Angry
feet.
face.
Stomp your feet. If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet. If you're scared, 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 say oh no.
Oh no.
If you're scared, 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 say oh no.
Oh no.
If you're scared,
Scared.
scared,
Tengo
scared, say
miedo.
oh no.
I'm
Say
scared.
oh no. If you're scared, 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 say oh no.
Oh no. What's next?
If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap. If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap. If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap, take a nap. If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands.
If you're happy, 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 clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're happy, happy, happy.
Clap your hands.
Very good, guys. Okay,
A duck
so
on a farm,
now
say quack, quack, quack.
let's start with a new lesson. This is a review for Prepri, pero for Kinder 2, it's new. Everybody needs to pay attention. Okay, this game is about, we are going to hear a sound, like a sound of a letter. Then we are going to repeat it, and then we are going to write it here at Mickey Mouse board, okay? And then I am going to tell you a story, short story. Okay, so if you're ready, let's go. Listen, okay, hear the sound. Let me think. Do you remember that letter?
S. S.
Okay, it's your turn.
S.
Let's go. Okay.
S. S.
S. Okay. I think I know what's that letter. Uh-oh, I lost my... it's here. Okay. Look. Yes? It's that one? Yes, it's letter S. It's letter S. But look how I trace it. Okay, maybe this side? Yes. Muy bien. Now, listen to this story, short story. Escuchamos esta historia, okay? It is a sunny day. A boy takes his dog for a walk. The boy throws a stick. I don't have a stick, but okay, this. Throws a stick. And the dog runs for it. The dog sniffs around in the grass and starts barking. A large and spotted snake is hissing up. It's sitting up and hissing. The boy grabs his dog. I'm scared. And the snake slowly slithers away. Se fue. Okay, very good. So, this is letter S with the sound S. That was the story. And your action will be this. Okay? Cuando hacemos S, este es nuestro movimiento. Y cuando escuchamos esta canción, sabemos que habla de letter S y que el movimiento es S.
The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
Very good. Okay, now, next one. Voy a poner otro sonido. Oh, wait, olvidaba algo. Now, I have here some pictures, and I'm going to tell you each one of it. Ant, ant, toy, toy, spider, spider. Which one of these begin with sound S? ¿Cuál empieza con S, el sonido que acabamos de ver? This one? No. Yes, this one. Okay. Spider. Yeah, that's right. Spider. Very good. Okay. Now, the next sound.
Ah,
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 ah.
ah. Very good. Okay, that's maybe this letter. Oh, no, I'm sorry. That's not the one. Okay, that's maybe this letter. Yes, that's the one. Okay, the name of this letter is A. Remember, it's the first one. A. A. Pero el sonido es A. A. Okay. Now, there's a story. Viene la historia. A family are going on a picnic. The children help to pack some apples, sandwiches, and a blackberry pie. At the picnic, the children feel something tickling them. Some ants are crawling up their arms. They jump and shout, "Ah!" Uh-oh. They shout, "Ah! Ah! Ah!" Ok. ¿Vieron? Los niños empezaron a sentir cosquillitas y comezón y de repente notaron que hormigas subían por sus brazos y gritaron, Ah, ah. Okay. So, your action, su acción, su movimiento con esta letra, con este sonido A, va a ser así. Las hormigas. Entonces es S, A. Ant es hormiga. So, this is the song. Esta es la canción for this letter. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm. Very good. One more. Una vez más. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm. Okay? Very good. You're doing great. Okay, this is any. Oh, I forgot again. Okay, so, ¿cuál vamos a relacionar? Which one of this begins with a sound? Okay, this is spider. Spider. This is toy. This is ant. Which one? I don't hear you. Okay, yes, this one. This one is great. Ant. Wow, look at this. The eyes. Wow. Ants are amazing, right? I like ants. Okay, now, next letter. Pay attention, this is a hard letter. Okay. Let me think. Oh, yes! It's this one. Letter T, remember? El nombre de esta letra es T. Pero ¿cómo suena? T, t. Okay. Very good. Now, here is a story. Okay. Listen to the story. I like this. Okay, let me stand up right here. Some children go to a tennis match. Each time the racket hits the ball, pa, 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 it makes a t noise. T, t. Okay? The game is very exciting. Woo! The people in the crowd turn their heads from side to side, like this. Okay? Watching the ball. The children go home and play tennis. Ok, entendieron perfecto, ¿verdad? Fueron un grupo de niños a un partido de tenis. En este partido, cada vez que la raqueta, sí han visto un partido de tenis, right? Cada vez que la raqueta golpeaba a la pelota, sonaba así. Todo el público en el partido estaban muy emocionados, tan emocionados que no querían perder de vista la pelota. Entonces volteaban de lado a lado. No importa qué tan rápido fuera, ¿ok? So, your action, su movimiento va a ser así. Cuando ese sonido va a ser viendo la pelota, ¿ok? Escuchamos una vez más el sonido. Very good. And this is the song. Ready?
When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth.
Okay. Once more. Ready? Okay.
When I watch the tennis game,
very good. I'm very proud of you. So, okay. Oh, no. I forgot again. Look. Which one of these pictures begin with t sound? It's spider. No. It's ant. No. It's toy. Toy. Yes, it's toy. Okay, this is a robot. Es un robot, but it's a toy, pero es un juguete. Toy. Remember, like Toy Story? Yes. Very good. Okay. Now, your activity. Oops. I don't know. Your activity will be. Su actividad con este video va a ser la siguiente. En una hoja, you are going to trace letter S. Van a trazar la letra S y van a poner o pegar imágenes o hacer dibujos, whatever you want, que empiecen con el sonido S. Like this is a sun. No se ve muy bien por la luz. Como un sol. What else? The snake. The snake. Or like the spider. Okay. Whatever you want. Los que quieran que empiecen con el sonido, ya saben. En otra hoja, trace letter A. Y van a poner su hormiguita. Apple, right? What else? Ant, apple. I don't know, but ustedes van a pensarle muy bien, ¿ok? ¿Y cuál fue la última? La de t, t. Remember? T. You are going to trace letter T. And then the toy. Un juguete. Voy a hacer un carrito. What else? T, t. Tenis. I don't know. Ok, use your imagination. Pensaremos en muchos dibujos y eso vamos a hacer with the 3 letters, with the 3 sounds. Ok. Now, ya para terminar, let's remember the vowels, please. Las vocales, vowels. Digan junto a mí, ¿ok? Las escribo y mientras escribo ustedes la dicen. Si no se acuerdan, me esperan a la siguiente ronda. Ok, first one is this one. Ahorita las acerco. Now, let's see. It's A, E, I, O, U. ¿Se acuerdan de cómo las hacíamos cada una? Ok. Va a ser, entonces, la primera era A. La siguiente era I. La tercera era I. La cuarta era O. era you. ¿Ya se acordaron? Ok, let's do once more para los que se van acordando. La primera era A. La segunda era I. La tercera era I. La cuarta era oh. Y la quinta era you. Right? Very good, guys. Okay, so I want you to practice vowels and the alphabet. Quiero que practiquen mucho las vocales y el abecedario, que me manden fotos de sus tareas. And that's all. Okay. Bye bye.